Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your Vivo has enough battery and a clean sensor. Oils and screen protectors can stop scans. Once done, make sure you know the backup PIN or password because enrollment may prompt it. Now open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, then Fingerprint or Biometrics. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the short on-screen animation. You're starting the actual capture now, so hold the phone steady and position one fingertip lightly. Don't press too hard, so the sensor can register edges and center. You now focus on capturing a complete fingerprint. Place the same finger on the sensor, then lift and reposition slightly between taps so the system learns different contact points. That improves recognition. Make angled presses to register the tip, sides, and base. This is why you'll tap multiple times. Once one finger is done, add at least one or two more fingers you use to wake and hold the phone. Doing so reduces false rejects and speeds unlocks in daily use. Finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for screen lock and any app locks you want. The phone will ask for confirmation with your PIN. Test it. Lock the screen and unlock with each registered finger so you learn reliable placements. If a finger fails, re-enroll that finger rather than adding extras. Quality beats quantity. If problems continue, clean the sensor, remove or adjust the protector, reboot the device, and then re-register. That single troubleshooting step, cleaning and re-registering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.